Gordon.
Sniper in position.
Yay!
America #1!
Duck-a-doo!
America #1.
See shit in
Alright,
the video.
I spotted Maple Leaf at the mortars. We're gonna blow this fucker out of the water.
Fuck Canada! Yay! Come on, boy. You want to light that thing with the emerald?
I am, brother.
I'm recording here. There we go. All right. Shit. The one time it doesn't fucking work right away. All right. I'm going to have to edit this video.
I see spark.
There we go.
Fire in the hole.
Fire in the hole. America.
America.
Woo-hoo-hoo!
Right at the
Beautiful. There's the Irish legend. We shot that off earlier today, and we you can see here there's a mortar tube and a mortar in there, and the mortar is going to go up into that bridge. You can't really see now because it's kind of dark, but here Vincent is lining it up like a sniper. Perfect positioning.
Killing those Maple Leafs.
Perfect positioning, and he's going to light it not with the ember rod this time because I accidentally unlit that bitch.
Alright,
So he's
y'all
gonna
ready
light
to
it with the
celebrate
lighter.
America.
There he is with the big lighter. I'm running away. Vincent's there. Lighting it up. Trying to light it up. Maybe lighting it. I don't know. Sometimes these fuses are a bit tricky. And it's lit. And there it is, America's birthday. Yay!